Today, we're going to teach you throne pose. And if you're new to Acroyoga and you already know bird pose, this is a great place to level up and work on to the next thing. If you don't know bird pose yet, please be sure to check out the video that was just before this one so you can learn it, and then check out this video so you can learn throne pose. I find throne pose to be a very meditative sort of posture for me as a base, because I have to sit there and kind of give the flyer their time to shine. So it's really meditative for me. And how is throne pose for you?
It feels good. Starting to get more air and getting vertical to sit up, it's really nice.
So if you're at home and you have a third person around who can spot you, that's always a good idea to keep yourself safe. But without further ado, let's show you throne pose. For throne pose, we're gonna start in bird pose. Let's go ahead and lift all the way up. So now we're gonna have our strong arms and strong legs here. And what we're gonna do first as a progression is we're gonna try 3 points of contact. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze my left hand. And this is how I'm gonna communicate to my partner that I want her to shift her weight from her hips onto this foot here. Squeeze this hand here. I squeeze this hand here. Now Yaz is gonna shift her weight to her right hip, all the way over. Then I'm gonna remove my right foot. And if you're the flyer here, you wanna make sure you keep your core strong, and then we come back to the hip. Now we do the same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna squeeze this hand now, and then Yaz is gonna shift her weights, and then I'm gonna keep my arms strong, and she's gonna hold her shape. Beautiful. So now that you've mastered the 3 points of contact, I'm gonna have Yaz shift her weights to this side, and then she's gonna take her left foot, or her knee, excuse me, and bring it towards her elbow, right? And then what that does is that it exposes this part of her leg here. Basically, you're gonna turn your feet in slightly, and then she's gonna wrap her foot around my leg. Give it a nice strong lock there. Then from here, Yaz is gonna shift her weight all the way over into her left leg. I'm gonna keep my arms strong, go ahead. And then she's gonna bring her second knee to her elbow. Once she's there, I'm gonna take my foot, I'm gonna place it right into the knee pits, and then she's gonna wrap around my legs one more time. Really strong wrap here. Then I'll bend my knees slightly, and this will allow my partner to stand all the way up, but then I can straighten out the legs. Nice. To come out, we're gonna reverse the steps. So I'm gonna bring my arms up, and then Yaz is gonna release one leg at a time. So why don't you release this leg here, shift the weight to this side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and capture her hip bone with my foot. Then Yaz is gonna shift her weight to this hip here, and then we're gonna go all the way back into bird pose, and then we'll go down. Solid, nice job. Once you've kind of gotten the hang of doing throne pose, another way to get into it is you can simply jump into it. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna turn my feet out right above my partner's knees. I'm gonna bring my arms here, and then what Yaz is gonna do is she's gonna do a little hop into my legs, and then I'm gonna lift her up. Ready? 1, 2, go. She wraps in front, and we press all the way up. Now again, this is maybe a little bit more advanced. If you're new to throne pose, you might want to try to get into it a few times before you actually try the jump. But it's a nice way to transition if you're moving into some flows and things like that. Let's bring it to the hands. Let's reverse the steps. So let's go one at a time here. Back to bird pose. Yeah, all the way back, and then all the way to the other side. Nice. And then you can finish it off here with a nice folded leaf if you want, where the legs extend long and she folds forward. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you want to take lessons from either me or Yaz, please be sure to check out the links down below in the description. I'm in the Orange County, LA area. You're in the Orange County, LA area as well. We're also available for online lessons, so if you're not in that area, please be sure to hit us up. Also check out our channel memberships and our Patreon to help support this channel, and there's even a PayPal donate button, and feel free to donate any amount that's equal to the amount of value you got out of this video. Thank you guys so much. Please leave any comments, questions down below, and we'll see you next time. Peace.